No. Hey, who all followed your ass?
There's a few more behind me.
Huh?
There's a few more back there.
There is?
At least. Just turn me sideways, I guess, and I'll.
Nah, you can't, man. Yeah, everybody's gonna jump in. Nah, fuck it. You're fine. Nah. Here. It's so deep. Hey. Turn sideways.
All right. Yeah, let me do that.
I didn't think it was that deep, Kev.
Let me have this. All right, you hop on out.
This shit feels good.
Feel better now, don't you, though?
Yeah. Don't you know that? Oh yeah. It's right here. Right there. And then
There we go. Yeah, I got the stuck now.
yeah. I bet. I thought it was shallower than that.